Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into Bahrain's bold move to introduce a corporate tax. This could mark a significant shift across the Gulf Cooperation Council. Let's break down what this means for the region. Bahrain will implement a 15% domestic minimum top-up tax on multinational enterprises starting January 2025. This tax targets multinationals with global revenues over 750 million euros. It aligns with OECD's global minimum tax rules to ensure large companies pay a minimum tax in each jurisdiction. Bahrain aims for global tax fairness, taxing profits locally rather than in low-tax jurisdictions. Bahrain's move is expected to influence the rest of the GCC. Experts predict that countries like the UAE, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia might soon follow with similar tax announcements. The regional impact includes GCC countries expected to adopt similar tax measures. Despite this new tax, Bahrain remains competitive as an investment destination. The kingdom attracted a record $6.8 billion in foreign direct investment in 2023. Bahrain's strategic location, strong infrastructure, and favorable business environment will likely continue to draw investors. Experts believe Bahrain's business-friendly environment will continue to attract multinational companies, even with the new tax. Some analysts suggest Bahrain's new tax could lead to broader corporate taxation. This would help secure additional tax revenue, crucial given Bahrain's high fiscal break-even oil price. The kingdom's GDP is expected to reach $47 billion in 2024, the smallest among GCC countries. Economic diversification, especially in financial services, shows a shift from reliance on oil. This could shape future tax policies. Despite the new tax, Bahrain's competitiveness remains strong. The kingdom's smaller market size is balanced by lower market entry costs compared to Saudi Arabia. Bahrain's investment in infrastructure and a favorable business environment attracts multinationals. Bahrain's introduction of a corporate tax could be the first domino in a broader tax shift across the GCC. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.